then accept the null hypothesis and reject the alternative hypothesis. So this is basically the rule of thumb. Now consider the example of the chi-square test of independence for resolving the issue and making the decisions. So for example, the meal plan selected for 200 students. 200 students is below. 200 students is below. The meal plan selected for 200 students is below. Class standing and number of meals per week. Number of meals per week. Per week plus total. Now the class standing and number of meals per week, we have two categorical variables. One is a class standing, number 1, number 2 is a number of meals per week, and we have to check the relationship between the class standing and number of meals per week. Either there is some kind of association in class standing with number of meals per week. The number of meals which are served to the students is either depends upon the class standing or not. So we have a two categorical variables basically, and we have to check the relationship between these two categorical variables. Okay, so now 20 weeks, 10 weeks, none, and total. So we have fresh students, how much? 24. Number of meals per week served for 20 weeks, and for 10 weeks 32 For none 14, total 70. And for sophisticated, soft, we have 22 number of meals for 20 weeks and 26 for 10 weeks and 12 for none. Is total, round total is 26, 22, 12 is 60. And juniors 10 meals per week for 20 weeks, whereas 14 weeks meals for 10 weeks and 6 for none. Total 14, 10 and 6 is 30. And after the senior students, 14 meals for 20 weeks and 16 for 10 weeks, whereas 10 for none. 14, 16 and 10 is equal to 40. Okay, so this is a meal plan selected by 200 students, which is shown in this table. So the total is 24. Total of this is the column total and this is the row total. These, you can see, these are the rows and these are the columns. So as per formula, we have to sum total of column and we have to make the sum total of rows. So sum total of rows is here in this total column, whereas a sum total of column will be as 24, 22, 10 and 14 is 70, whereas for 10 weeks 88, whereas for none 42, and for this total column 70, 60, 30 and 40 is equal to 200. So we have a data for meal plan served to the 200 students, and we have two categorical variables. One is a class standing and other one the number of meals served per week. So we have to check the relationship between these two categorical variables by using the chi-square test of independence by analyzing the cross tabulation. So now we have to check the relationship between these two variables. So for checking the relationship, we have to first formulate the hypothesis to test the hypothesis. For example, the hypothesis is to be tested. Hypothesis is to be tested is by checking the relationship, we have to test the hypothesis. So we have two kinds of hypothesis. One is a null hypothesis and other one is a alternative hypothesis. So null hypothesis says that meal plan and class standing are independent to each other, then meal plan and class standing are meal plan and class standing are independent are independent. So it means there is no relationship or association between them. But alternative hypothesis says that meal plan and class standing are dependent. Meal plan and class standing are dependent, which means there is some kind of relationship between them. There is a relationship or association between them. Okay, so this is a data which is obtained from the 200 students regarding the meal plan served to the students and class standing. So the students who are standing in the class, for example, these are the fresh students, sophomore students, junior students and senior students, and how the meal is served to the students per week. So these are the two categorical variables: meal plan and students class standing. So for resolving the issue, we testify the two hypotheses. One is a null hypothesis and other one is a alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis says that meal plan and class standing are independent. It means there is no any relationship between them. There is no any kind of relationship between them. These are the free. These are the independent. Whereas